Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Dana's garage, or I just bought it, or Dana's tool time, whichever way, whichever part of my playlist you find it in. Today we're going to go ahead and put this Pittsburg underhoist safety stand under here. Fine screw adjustment, all steel construction, 6 height adjustments. Why did you disappear? You're not. Supposed to be on me. What happened? Let's go. No. Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. And this is Dana's tool time. And we're going to put together this Pittsburg 2-ton underhoist safety stand. I saw this at Harbor Freight, of course. I decided it would make a great hoist to go underneath, stand to go underneath the 4-post when it's up. And I've got a Daytona crossbeam adapter that goes on the floor jack, and it'll go across and grab your subframe or even the frame itself, so you can lift the vehicle up. Well, I figured it can be adapted to this, and I'll be able to take the 4-post up, bring this under with that crossbeam, and slowly lower the 4-post down, and that should lift either the front or the rear of the vehicle up and off of the 4-post, and be able to do, you know, both wheels at the same time. Should be able to do transmission and even the subframe with this. I may have to get 2 of these, but we'll see how this one works for right now. Let's get to putting it together. Flip and let's go. So we'll see how this works out. Say, Harbor Freight in Rochester. This is a recorded line. Hey, Rhonda, Dana Crosby. I came up there on Monday and I picked up a 2-ton underhoist safety stand. And I don't know where they got it, or from in the back or whatever, but it's already been pulled apart and put back together, and I'm missing the main screw out of it. It didn't. Unfortunately, I didn't think anything about it because they just helped me load it right in the back. It didn't have any straps on it, and of course, there's no instructions in the box either.
Yeah, I will bring it back with a new one.
Yeah. I'm down here. Okay.
Tomorrow our truck comes, so we should have them tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Before you come all the way back here, though, I would call and see.
I definitely will. Yeah, I'm out of Wayland, so.
Yeah, I would come out, and then.
We'll mark this box as being returned.
All right. Yeah. And I'll do a 20% for you, since you.
I'll appreciate that.
So if you're gonna come tomorrow, I'll be here after 10.
Okay, thank you very much.
Alright, and if they have it, just tell them that you're bringing it back because yours wasn't all together because they sold it.
Yeah, I don't know what,
Alright, sorry about that.
Hey, you know, it's my fault. I didn't even think anything about it. We just loaded it in the back and...
Yeah, but you shouldn't have to do that, and we shouldn't have to worry about when it comes from the place if it's good, you know what I mean?
Right, or it was returned, because it looks like it was already put, looking at the holes where the bolts go, looks like somebody already put it together and I guess brought it back. Because normally the nuts and bolts would be in a plastic bag, and you'd have a the instructions how to put it together, but the main screw is missing. The actual inner screw piece is missing.
Yeah, just bring it back, and I'll give you a discount on the new one.
We got that, Yolanda.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right. Sorry about that.
Hey, that's
Okay.
my luck.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. There you go. Always, just double check yourself. Make sure it's an unopened box. I should I don't know. Jeez. Just go to the back and go, and I like it. It's as simple as that. Okay, well, that's the end of that video for today, and we'll be a continuation. Hey, Dana here, and this is the follow-up on Pittsburg underhoist safety stands. Well, I went back up to the store, and when you know it, the 4 that came in that morning were sold out. So they had to send me to another store to get it. So they compensated me 20% on the return one, and then I decided, well, I'm going to use that towards another one. So I now have 2 of these stands, and it wasn't too bad. I got both stands for like total about 120 bucks. So we'll see how they work. Next video you'll see is me unboxing them and the build up.